Welcome to MPSMotivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. I am Janendra Kumar standing in front of you. Before starting this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So good morning friends. In this session, I am going to start discussing with you articles. Friends, a, an and the are called articles which have been kept under determiners in modern English grammar. A, an और the को articles कहा जाता है, जिन्हें मॉडर्न अंग्रेजी ग्रामर में डिटरमाइनर्स के अंतर्गत रखे गए हैं. आई वुड लाइक टू रिपीट इट फ्रेंड्स इन हिंदी. ए, एन और द को आर्टिकल्स कहे जाते हैं, जिन्हें आधुनिक अंग्रेजी व्याकरण में डिटरमाइनर्स के अंतर्गत रखे गए हैं. ए और एन is called the indefinite article. It is used before a singular countable noun in indefinite sense. a या n को indefinite article कहा जाता है और इसे सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन के पहले अनिश्चित अर्थ में किया जाता है. फ्रेंड्स, what is the indefinite sense? And when we say that the noun is used in indefinite sense, when the noun does not denote a definite person or thing, it is said to be used in indefinite sense. जब नाउन का प्रयोग किसी निश्चित व्यक्ति या वस्तु का बोध कराने के लिए नहीं किया गया हो तो उसे इंडिफिनिट सेंस में यूज किया जाना कहा जाता है. फ्रेंड्स, ए इज यूज्ड बिफोर दैट सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन हुज प्रोनाउंसिएशन स्टार्ट्स विथ अ कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. अर्थात ए का प्रयोग उस सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन के पहले होता है जिसका उच्चारण व्यंजन ध्वनि से शुरू होता है. फ्रेंड्स, विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंग्लिश लेटर्स और रोमन स्क्रिप्ट, आई हैव डिस्क्राइब्ड which types of sounds are known as consonant sounds. Here you will consider them as sounds, not letters. For example, if any word starts with C or K or Q, its initial sound may be ka, and that is a sound, not a letter. For example, cat, C-A-T, cat. This word starts with C, but its pronunciation starts with ka or k. So here the letter is not a great factor, but its sound is a great factor. In what way we pronounce it is a great factor. माने लेटर यहाँ पर महत्वपूर्ण चीज नहीं है, बल्कि लेटर तो लिखने का एक माध्यम है. By using letters we write words, and how we pronounce them is the sound of those words. हम लोग उसे कैसे उच्चारित करते हैं, उसका उच्चारण कैसे करते हैं, वो उसका ध्वनि कहलाता है. तो क साउंड मे बी डिराइव्ड और मे बी फॉर्म्ड विथ अ लेटर सी, के एंड क्यू. क साउंड की उत्पत्ति सी, के और क्यू लेटर से हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी राइट Quran and we start with Q but we pronounce ka. We write kite, it starts with K and its sound is also with K, means ka. And we write cat, camel, many other words start with C and their pronunciation starts with ka. So here the letters may be different and their sounds may be different. For example, cat. Here C, the letter C is a consonant letter. Friends, I am writing here CL in short form to denote consonant letter, and its sound is ka. Its sound is ka. It is a consonant sound. means the sound is also a consonant. So we will write a cat. We will use a before it because the letter is forming a consonant sound. Here the letter C is forming a consonant sound, so A is used before it. Not because it is a consonant letter, but it is forming a consonant sound. Friends, here the word man is started with a consonant letter M, and its sound is also a consonant, that is ma, and so A is used before it. And friends, now you can take its screenshot or write down in your notebook. I hope that you have taken its screenshot or written down in your notebook. So I am going to rub the board. Friends, now we will see a few examples which start with vowel letters but they form consonant sounds, and so we use A before those singular countable nouns. You can see here that the word union starts with U, that is a vowel letter. VL denotes a vowel letter and it forms U sound. U. U sound is a consonant sound. U letter is a vowel letter, but U sound is a consonant sound. So we will use here A, and we will write a union. In the next example, which has also been started with a vowel letter U, the same vowel letter, and here also the sound with the vowel letter U comes as U, which is a consonant sound. So we will write a university. And friends, when any singular countable noun starts with H and H is pronounced as ha, we use A before it. Here H letter also forms ha sound, which is denoted by a small h, and so A is used before it. Friends, with this rule and with a few examples based on it, I am ending this session, and I am also requesting you to like it, comment it and share it with your friends, and also download MPSMotivators by going to Play Store. Also help us in approaching our knowledge to students on mass level and the needy of the knowledge of grammar on the mass level, and it is possible for us only if you help us by increasing the number of subscribers, views and likes. Thank you. Have a nice day.